Hello class, it's Miss Bird coming to you from the smartboard. We're going to be doing a really fun game today to practice what you've learned about animal and plant adaptations over the past few lessons we've done together. So we've learned lots of things about how plants and animals adapt to their environment in order to survive. Some adaptations may include having a longer beak to reach food, or having really warm fur to stay warm, or maybe even having spikes on a plant so no animals can eat it. We've learned about camouflage, which is a really cool way for animals to adapt and blend in. So today you're going to take all the stuff you've learned, and I have a little quiz for you, but it's going to be in a fun game. And at the end of the game, it's going to tell me how many of you guys have gotten right and what ones maybe some kids are still working on, so we can go over those questions at the end. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's on an app called Kahoot, which you guys have on your Clever page. So open up your Chromebooks, go to that Clever page, and you'll see the Kahoot symbol. It should be one of the only ones there. And when you get to that symbol, click it. And this should pop up on your screen. It should look like this, where it says Kahoot and it says Game Pin. So when you get to that spot, just wait and I'll show you guys the pin. So at the end of this lesson, I'm going to look back at the answers that you guys got right and the answers that maybe a good amount of you or maybe a couple of you got wrong. And we'll go over those again, but I just want to see what you guys know. This is a fun way to just practice what we've done and kind of challenge each other a little bit. See who can get the most right or who can do it really fast. But again, this is just a game for having fun, so don't worry if you're not as fast as your friends or maybe you get a couple wrong. This is just a good way to practice, and we can always do it again. So I'm going to be actually practicing on a Disney themed one just because I don't want to show you any of the answers for the quiz that you guys are going to do. So if you're on this page, you're going to end up typing in the pin that I show you. So this is not the pin that you're going to get. This is just me giving you an idea of how we're going to do it, but I'll show you guys the pins on the board when it's time. You're going to see this pin and you're going to copy it on this page where it says Game Pin. So mine is 964, those are the first three numbers, 964 2896, 2896. Then you're going to click enter. Then you have a spot to put your nickname. I'm going to do Miss Bird because I want to know who everyone is, so don't do anything too silly. This round. I just want to be able to see what your answers are at the end. And if you have too silly of a name, I won't know who's who. So I'm going to click OK, go. And then this is the page I'll see. All your names will appear here. And then once everyone's ready, I'll click Start. So you're going to have to look at the board. I'm going to read the questions for you guys, so don't worry about having to read them. But you're going to have to look up at the big board. So this says, who is this character? So your board is going to look like this with just colors. So it's not going to have the answers on it. You're going to have to look to the board that I have. We have Anna is red, Elsa is blue, Olaf is yellow, and Hans is green. I know that's Elsa. So I see that's blue. So you're going to go to your board and click blue. And I got it right. So I got some points because I'm the only one playing. I'm right now in first place, but it'll show you how many people selected each answer. So maybe if a couple kids thought it was Hans, it would show that a couple kids chose green. I click next, see the scoreboard. I'm the only one playing, so of course I'm on there, but you'll be able to see how everyone moves around as we play. So once that's done, I'm going to click next. Okay, here comes the second question. Again, you're going to want to keep looking at the board to see what color. Who is this character? Ooh, she's coming in kind of pixelated. I can already tell that's Anna, which is red. But just to show you guys what happens, I'm going to choose Olaf, which is yellow, just to show you. Oh, it says incorrect. My streak was lost. That means I didn't get any more right in a row. But that's okay. And I'm sure some of you might have to take a couple questions to get used to just playing this game. Because you have to be kind of quick. Oh, still on the scoreboard. Next. Who is this character? Let's see. Anna's red, Elsa's blue, Olaf is yellow, Hans is green. I know that's Olaf, so I'm going to look for yellow and click that. So we're going to keep doing that until we get to the end of the questions. Again, our questions are going to be about animal and plant adaptations, not about Frozen. But I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. And we'll do it a couple different rounds. I have some really good questions for you guys, all things that we've learned over the past few lessons. I'm going to read the questions for you, so don't worry about having to spend too much time reading them. And just do your best and have fun. And I'm just excited to continue learning with you guys. And I can't wait to see how you guys like the game.